on. Yay, good Dylan. Come here, Dylan. Come here. Come on. Come on. Whoa, 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 whoa. You're supposed to walk around corners, not into corners. Silly girl. Jaden, you okay? Come here. Ready? Up. Up, come on. There you go. Okay, let's go this way. Come here. Come on. Ready? Come on. Go. Come on. What are you doing, Jalen? Where are you going? Jalen, come here. You don't want that. That's a cat's toy. Give me that. Go. Come on. Jalen. 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 Stop trying to eat things. Give me that. Nerd. Come here. Jalen. No. Stop trying to get the cat food. Okay, come on. No cat food. Come on. It's gross. You don't want it. Okay, ready? Okay, come here. Jalen. Jalen. Come here. Jalen. You don't go in that room. Jalen. No. No. Exactly. No. Jalen. Come here. It's like the forbidden room, huh? Come on. Get up. No, no, not in there either. Come on, Jalen. 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 Come here. Jalen. Come here. Come here. Come here. Jalen. No. No. Come here, Jalen. Jalen, come on. Come on. This way, little miss. This way, little miss. Okay, now let me go. Now come on. Jalen. Jalen. That's what happens when you don't listen to Mommy. You fall down. Come on. Come on, little Miss Defiant. Yeah, don't make me put that in front of there. Come on. I'm trying to show people how you walk, not how you disobey. Come on. Jalen. Jalen. Come on. Look what I have. There you go. Come on. Good job. You almost fell. Here you go. That was awesome. You want me to play him again? Yeah. Yay, Stuffy.